Isaac, unboxing the Ultra Wilson men's complete golf set. Yeah, just came in the mail. Pretty excited to get into this. I'm a very new golfer and not really dealt with any nice clubs like this before, and yes, I would call this nice. Goodwill was my nice previously. And a complete set with fairway wood, a driver, a hybrid, irons that are 6 through 9, a pitching wedge, heel and toe putter, and a bag with head covers. This is one that I bought off of Amazon for around $2.19, I believe. I was gonna go either with this or the Callaway Stratus or Strata, I believe, but I saw too many reviews of the heads getting broken off of the Callaway club, so I decided to go with this. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Here we have, straight out of the box, the Wilson Ultra set. It's got 3 head covers here for the hybrid, the driver, and the wood that we got. We've got all of our irons in here and then our putter. So let's get these all taken out and take a look at them. So taking off some of the plastic that comes on these. You either love it or you hate it, I guess. That looks really nice. Obviously, you know, for a $200 set, not all of them are gonna be flawless. And then last but not least, but the putter, which that one was a little bit more like shrink wrapped there. All right, so starting off with the driver here. I don't have anything insane to compare it to. I honestly love the color scheme. If you want to get a little bit of a closer look there, it's got the gold, the black, and like the silver in there for the lettering. Then on the front, you've got just a massive club face. I'm really excited to give this one a shot, expecting this to have a lot more forgiveness than what I'm currently using, which is pretty old Dunlop driver. Let's move into our fairway wood that we have here. Same kind of design on the bottom there. Nice, I love the matte black. The handle, like the grip feels good. I don't feel like I'm gonna let go of it. Also on the top, you can see right here where you can line up the ball, a little indicator there. My favorite thing about these though is this. I just think that marking looks fantastic. I don't know if you can see that all that well, but man, that looks clean to me. $219 on Amazon. I'm pretty impressed so far. Let's move into our hybrid. I can still see like the paint job is not like flawless on these. Maybe here in the middle where the yellow kind of morphs into the black. This one's slightly different. Once you got to this point, it all just goes to a complete metal shaft. And then we'll take a look at all the irons together. You get a 6 through 9. They all have this Ultra design on the back of them. Shaft again is just plain silver, moves into the design on the end, and then obviously the black and white grip on top. Last but not least though, is the putter. This I'm excited to use. It's got the Ultra branding on the end there, along with indicators on the bottom here to line up your putt. The pockets and the shoulder strap. So I just tried the shoulder strap. It is fairly comfortable. Not the best thing ever, not the worst thing ever. Joins at 2 points, perfectly fine for what I'm gonna be using it for. The only thing that I just thought about is the only thing that this doesn't have is like a rain cover or anything like that for keeping the clubs dry if there were any rain or anything like that. Got this handle here just for carrying the bag. There's also one down here if you need that for some reason. There's a large pocket here, rather deep. I would probably keep a water bottle or something in this one. And then in the side here, a nice padded pocket actually, probably perfect for your cell phone. And in here, a large side pocket right next to this one. You can see that one flapping around on the inside. On this side of the bag, there's another somewhat large pocket. I'd probably use that one for the balls or something like that. That would be it then for this Wilson Ultra clubs in the gold and black. I hope you enjoyed watching, and make sure you tune in for more. I will probably be filming some shots with these. Again, they're not going to be fantastic because I'm not a great golfer, but at least you'll kind of get an idea of how they work for someone who's a beginner. So be sure you check back for that. Thanks for watching.